This is Boo, George, and Scrappy. They're stunt devils today. Ready? Okay. Scrappy's going to demonstrate how to slide down a rail. Whoop, whoop. And then the bear. Boo. Okay, let's take this video. This is Skittles, the cat. Skittles, the cat. See his eyeball? Can you see his eyeball? Look at this. Look at its feet, look at its body, look at its eyes. Where's come back? Okay. That was nice, very nice. Apologize. We have to go and apologize. Come on. Skittles! I'm sorry, Skittles! Skittles, I'm so sorry. Skittles, Kayla, we're sorry. Cats in their nature habitat. I didn't mean to. Oh! Okay. George has to go home now. Dad, catch this. Hold this. We're making videos and putting it on.